can see, I'm still finishing up my coffee. Phase 2 of the cooking process has been done. Come a little closer and let me show you what I've done. I've boiled the shrimp and cleaned them. First of all, I'm never doing it again fresh. I'm sticking with my jumbo clean deveined frozen. This took the longest and the most annoying. I had to clean them, peel them, cut them, the whole process. It wasn't worth it. I'd stick with the frozen. So I did that. We steamed the lobster tails. They're on ice chilling. They're good. I'm thawing out the seafood medley because it's fully cooked and it has to be chilled, but I want all and any excess water out. As you can see, I got Scott toweled up to go here. It's still cold. And then when I'm sure and happy with the amount of water that's out of it, I will then proceed to season it, and it has to be rechilled again because that's when it tastes its best. The last thing I have to do is put this in the oven. I seasoned it just as if I was going to eat it for dinner in a hot manner, so to speak, with parsley, salt, pepper, garlic, and lemon and olive oil. So that's going to get cooked in the oven and chilled because then we're going to eat it with a little bit of mustard sauce along with the other cold fishes. Now, the one thing I want to share, the tip is, oh, and that's my book that I didn't get to read yet, but what a cover, huh? That inspired me to put the salmon in with the fish today because I love salmon. Vinny doesn't, but I do. The best part of this process is the prepared garlic that I shared with you guys last night on camera about my fridge showing you in the freezer. I usually do with the parsley too, and I didn't today. I should because these are the ingredients that are going to go in all of the seafood. Like the seafood salad's going to get garlic, parsley, celery chopped, olive oil, lemon. So all those things, that's a big help to have that garlic puree and olive oil already done. I just put a few little things. I didn't have to cut, but the parsley I did, as you see. So once this is thawed and chilled and seasoned up, I got to cut some more celery. We'll come back and show you the finale dish placed. Hi, my YouTubers, my subs. My dish is complete and I am thrilled. It is not traditional seafood salad, but it turned out to be something I love and I'm going to enjoy, and I hope you will, because I'm going to go through the things we have, and I'm just going to say right up front, the seafood salad that was frozen and we're supposed to thaw out and make salad, no. If I won't eat it, I won't show it, I won't make you eat it. It's not good. I wouldn't have been proud of it. So if you want to try on your own, that's okay. Enough said about that. It was no good. We have shrimp here. The ones I showed you, everything, they're going to be clips of everything that it's fresh and it's all made. These are the shrimps. This is the lobster tails, all in here. Delicious. And because we didn't do the seafood salad, I ran back out, yes, dressed like Santa here, and bought jumbo lump crab meat. I think we should splurge on ourselves because that was a disaster, the salad. So I used an excuse to get some goody, delicious stuff. Now here is something new for even me. I've never done salmon like this, but I cooked it in the oven just as if I would eat it hot, the way I love it, the seasoning. Chilled it in the fridge, and I bet you it's going to be delicious with any one of these sauces. Now let me go through the sauces. This is my cocktail sauce. What it is I buy a ready-made and I just amp it up with more, what is that, horseradish and lemon. This is a pre-bought from Publix mustard sauce. That's delicious for the jumbo lump crab, for any of them. All these sauces are interchangeable. It's preference, whatever you like. You could dip anywhere. And this is homemade. I did this today for the first time. This is a lemon garlic aioli. And I'll post all the recipes for everything on this platter. And I just want to share something else fun with you. I'm very into decorating and I love to present my food. My mom showed all of us this when we were kids, because we would watch her and she'd make things up and she'd always try to make it as fancy as she could. And that's what I've done today. This is leftover cabbage that was in the fridge chilled and fresh. There's nothing wrong with it, but I wouldn't use any more because I used it to make cabbage rolls, and that was left, the Savoy. The other stuff underneath is some lettuce from the spring mix. I used maybe 25 cents worth. I'm going to eat all the rest of it, and I could still eat this because my board is clean. And for color, this is pre-mixed coleslaw, which if I have 10 cents on this whole platter is a lot. And the cabbage is a nice idea because if you've ever gone to a fancy restaurant and you've had the lump crab meat, sometimes they put it in a radicchio bowl. It's quite expensive. You'll pay $7 just for the radicchio. So if you don't love to eat it, why do it for this? And that's about it. Lemons cut up. Now, here's the fun thing. I found this under my bed being unused for a couple of years now. This is a Lazy Susie I bought to make taco night. Now, who wouldn't love this on their appetizer table for holiday? Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, I'm impressing myself. Sorry to sound like I'm into it, but I am. I kind of am. And there you go. And this is lunch for me and Vinny. I'm just going to say, oh my God. Now, with the leftovers, we don't know. There may not be many. I could guarantee that lobster will be gone, half of the shrimp, and about a couple of pieces of salmon, and a good amount of the crab. And that's just me. Vinny's going to get in here too. But no worries. If you have anything left, all of it would keep for a day or two in the fridge. If you want to get creative, you could chop up your leftovers, dice up a little celery, some mayonnaise, and make a cold seafood salad sandwich. Like they think lobster roll, think lettuce cup filled with shrimp, chopped shrimp salad. This they make patties with. You could do a lot of things. If I can and I have the time, under the recipe directions and ingredients, I'll throw in some of those ideas for you guys. But that's it. Happy holidays. It's not traditional, but it's my seafood salad for Christmas Eve, for lunch, for appetizer, for any time. Hi YouTubers, what I forgot to share when I was making the seafood salad is while I was cooking this morning, I received a very special Christmas gift. This platter is from my grandbabies, the girls I'm always talking about. They made this by hand, and these are their hands, and I know and they live in another state, so I'm not near them, and they're growing rapidly. But I know this is my Cecilia. She's the oldest. That's her, as Santa. And this wonderful hand into the reindeer is Anna. And this is the baby, Lucia. Isn't that gorgeous? And I had it in the whole time I was cooking, and I wanted to make sure that I told everybody. That's Grandma's Christmas gift from the babies. I love it. Well, guys, this has been a fabulous salad, and we're about to eat it and enjoy it, but this is also what we like to enjoy it with. A nice bottle, chilled, of Prosecco. Nice and cold to go with this cold seafood and shrimps and such. And as always, boom, there you go. Brittany's going to pour us each a glass, and then we're going to toast, and we're going to get busy eating. And yes, I did go to Publix to get the crab meat dressed with my hat. First time ever. Okay, guys, from our house to your house, happy, healthy holidays, and cheers.
Cheers.
From the Furtados. Enjoy. And that's Josh Prosecco.
Cheers. Bon appetit is right.
A little bit of everything.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna use these first for me. Yeah.
I'm hungry.
I'm starving. Please, I didn't eat breakfast to do this.
Poor Millie.
It's kind of like, well, it's like 1:30. Not cooking dinner. No. So eat up. I'm not cooking dinner, so eat up, buddy. Eat up.
I don't blame you.
This is it. This is all you get today. And we could eat some later too. Wait, let me get some crab.
Yeah.
It's really hard to get the crab.
What? Oh.
Use the spoon for the sauce.
Yeah.
For the cocktail. This is really good. I'm gonna put the.
Yeah, the crab meat is good.
I know.
Really,
people are gonna be surprised when I tell them what
really
the brand
tasty.
is. I know. Let me get some of that sauce. Some cocktail sauce. Here's those. The Lazy Susie's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We never did use it for taco night.
What?